Hi, I'm Dean Turner, the president of F.A.S.T. Today, what I'm going to do is do a demonstration on how to inspect a defibrillator. This first defibrillator I'm going to do is called the Defibtech. But first, before we do that, let's look at the accessories. One is the AED cabinet. The cabinet itself, just inspect the outside and make sure that the glass is not cracked. And when you open the door, the alarm will go off. Close the door. The sign. A sign should be held up nice and high to show that the AED is on site. Defibrillator pads. So this is a set of Defibtech pads. On the back, there's an expiry date. Pads are generally good for 2 years. You should also have 2 sets of pads in with any defibrillator. The AED battery. You'll notice there's a bar here with the numbers. This is going to give you the serial numbers as well as the date of expiration for this defibrillator. A 9-volt battery. The 9-volt battery, when placed in, is going to be what will have the AED go through its daily, weekly, and monthly self-checks. Put the battery in. The defibrillator itself. So you'll notice that it has 2 buttons. The green button, which is the on-off button, and then you have the shock button. On the side is where the battery is housed. And here to remove the battery, you push this orange button there. So I put the battery inside.
Performing battery pack self-test. Battery pack okay. Pads missing.
Okay, so the pads are missing, as you can see. The AED is now going to chirp to let you know that there's a problem. And a red light is going to flash right here. That chirping sound tells you that there's a problem. That's when you call for the technician, call Fast Rescue. Okay, here's the pads. Place the pads on, it can only go on one way. And then put them in the back of the AED so that you can see the expiry date. Now, in order to clear the chirping, I'll turn the AED on.
Call for help.
And when I turn it off, you can see that the AED is now cleared. And the green light is going to flash. This flash happens once every 10-15 seconds. So if it's not chirping, green light's on, then the AED is good to go. Do a general look at the AED, at the condition. Oh, you want to start over?